Hello, you're watching Native Mobiles. Today I have a very happy day because now I'm going to assemble Nokia 6600 of the white color. Actually, it took 7 years for me to get all the parts. Actually, the longest was this one, was the keypad. I even got another phone rather new with the Russian keypad, but I had to finish this project, so only two items here are used, so the antenna and the charger connector, but in any case it will be okay. Also the display, but I will use it for my assembly and that will be okay. So let's start and make me happy. First of all, let's move apart all the items we don't need at the beginning. So let's start with the middle part. What we need is to put the vibra here. So here it is, to put the charge connector. We do it this way. So, and now the antenna. I now only have the problem that we see the dust mesh as it falls away. So now I will do it this way. I don't want to stick it, so I'll just put it on its place and now finish it with the antenna. Sorry, I will also put, I'm not sure, but I think that I should put first also the power button. So it's here. Now let's put the antenna over there. So my dust mesh seems to be on its place. Yeah, I see it. And click. So it is. We place it. Success. Is it okay? Yes, it is okay. And it seems that we can put this item at last. So, okay. Here's everything okay. Now let's put the main board inside. So it is here. Now let's assemble, or maybe let's put first the UI board. So click, click, click. We've heard many clicks. Now let's connect the LCD. Okay, it's okay. Let's be sure that our display is clean enough. Seems to be. Sure, there are some spots, but they don't disappoint me. No, they don't go away. So now let's close it with the display frame. So this one should be here. It's ground. Here is okay. Here is okay as well. So okay, now let's screw it. So now, I don't remember well the way to put this seat in, but I remember that see, you put it this way, a little bit turned to the right, and then you turn it left. It's on its place. So now, keypad. Let's put keypad. Now, is it okay? I hate actually using old LCDs, but so I start with the bottom side. I think I'm right. Or am I wrong? Let's... Oh, seems I'm right. So, let's switch it together. Oh, of course, I will put the image sticker a little bit later. Besides, who knows what SIM card, what operator is it, what country is it from, I don't know. The battery color. Yes. 7 years. Actually now one of them, no, now it's the longest project. My longest project. And now it's finished. Happiness with Nokia 6600. You can also buy housing parts for this model at Age of Mobiles. So, good luck and see you again. Nice guy.